Hello guys, it's your boy K-Word, and today we are in a game called Multiple Vortex, and I'm gonna chase him twice. So what? I'm gonna get my car out. So yeah, we can the car. Oh, let's go chase. Oh, there's already a tornado right here. Let me go chase it. Okay, so I need to go over here because that's where the headwinds are going to be. So let's go over here. And then we just get stuff. Okay. We got stuck over there. Let me drop my probe. I'll drop my probe right there and right here. Okay, let me go inside. Oh wait, yes, my car can move now. Okay, let me, just for safety, let me get the car that can deploy. Okay, what do we get here? Let's see. This was getting here, we got 240. 240, we gotta enter the funnel. This is crazy. 183, okay, no, it's fighting. Yeah, we're here, boys. Okay, so yeah, let's get our car back out. So wait a second. Let me take a new car. Let's see this. Yeah, I do. Okay, let me buy a new car. Okay, I got the Dominator. Got the Ford Station 265. That's a small tornado. Okay, let's go over here. The pool right here. Drop a probe quickly. We need to drop the probe. Drop the probe. In front of it. Let's see. Hopefully we don't get something. What's up, Dominator? Okay. 40, I'm messing up for 35. Okay, that is it, I'm guessing. Not that hard. Okay, we're deploying. It's on the phone. Hey, why did you crash into my vehicle? That's so disrespectful. Okay, we need $120,000 for the next project. That's insane. Okay, let's see the shop. Not that much. The VIP has 49 Robux. That's not even that much. I do it 10 times. We have a big one over here. Uh-oh. Ouch. Oh, the tree just trapped me. Let me start my vehicle. Okay, we're trying to make fun of it. I'm over airborne. Okay, I found you. Okay. Let's get one of the last intercept off our heads. Okay. So I'm gonna cut to the tornado. So see you guys in a little bit. Back. Sorry about that one. It was dropping the probe back inside quickly. So I'm kind of sick right now. Oh no, look at the Dominator! The Dominator spike is deployed, but he's still airborne, girl. What happened to the Dominator? Let's look up in the tornado, bro. I want to look up in the tornado. Oh wait, yes, we're not airborne yet. We're getting 200 with the EF4 right now. Okay, 200 for everybody. Let's look up. Oh, I can't look up. Wow. The Dominator, this is good. Okay, the spike just broke. And there goes the other Dominator. Okay, well, that will be it for me. If you like this video,